Do you ever wonder why, no matter how hard you work, your bank account never seems to grow? It's not just about how much money you make, it's about the mistakes you make with it. In 2025, these money traps are silently draining your wealth and keeping you stuck in the same cycle. Today, I'll reveal the 10 money mistakes that are keeping you poor and how you can escape them before it's too late. Welcome back. If you want to build wealth, live debt-free, and finally take control of your money, let's dive right in. Number 1, living on credit, not cash. With buy now, pay later and easy credit everywhere, it's tempting to spend money you don't have. But interest rates are higher than ever, and debt is the fastest way to stay broke. Number 2, ignoring emergency savings. Most people don't even have $1,000 saved. One unexpected bill can throw your entire life into chaos. Number 3, lifestyle inflation. You got a raise? That's great. But if you instantly upgrade your car, your phone, and your lifestyle, you're just running in place financially. Number 4, not investing early. In 2025, you can invest with just a few clicks, and yet many people still delay. Every year you wait, you lose thousands in compound growth. Number 5, depending only on one income. Relying solely on your job is dangerous. One layoff, one crisis, and you're broke. Multiple income streams are no longer optional, they're survival. Number 6, not tracking your spending. Most people have no idea where their money goes. If you don't track it, you can't control it. Number 7, falling for get-rich-quick schemes. Scams are smarter than ever, from crypto pumps to AI money tricks. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Number 8, ignoring health. Medical bills are one of the biggest causes of bankruptcy. Skipping health checkups to save money now can cost you everything later. Number 9, keeping money in a savings account only. Inflation is eating your cash alive. If your money isn't growing, it's shrinking. Number 10, not learning about money. The biggest mistake of all is not educating yourself. Financial literacy is the real cheat code for wealth, but most people never study it. So, which of these money mistakes are you guilty of? Be honest. If you want to stop being broke in 2025, start by fixing just one of these mistakes today. And remember, the only thing worse than being broke is staying broke.